Okay, now I am going to show you how I make a website, e-commerce website, okay, by using Bootstrap, Django and Ajax also there. Okay, this is my shopping website. Okay, I just give the project also. Okay, how I make this thing. Now I just turn off. Okay, CMD. Okay, wait. CMD CMD open. I think in 2 time it's open, I think. Okay, this is my CMD. Okay, yes, exactly, it's 2 time open. Okay, but now I'm just I just activate the virtual environment, venv slash script slash activate. Now my virtual environment is activated. Just cd shopping website, my app name. You just see this app name, this is my app, and this is my project name. Okay, then I just run the server. Okay, first I just open the code code dot for opening the VS code. Now my VS code is open. After I open my VS code, then I just open my server. Okay, then I can see the website. You can see all the how it's look like, my website, how it's look like. Okay, this is the, it's take some time. Okay, now I just run my server. So you already know that if you know Django, then you can understand how to run the server. Python manage.py, python manage.py run server. Through you just turn on the server, means your localhost is wake up. If if your all program is correct, then your localhost is wake up. It takes some time because I'm screen recording also, and then VS code, everything is there. Okay, it takes some time. Okay, and then here I just explain how it's look like. Means I just organize everything. This is my JS file. I use here Bootstrap. This is all the JS file here. I just separate this thing. Okay, I just minimize everything, then I can explain, because the folder structure is so confusing, because there are many folder are there. That's why I just I just close all this folder, and I just open one by one, then you can understand properly. Okay, now I think the server is wake up. I just show you how it's look like, then I just explain how I write the program, means what is the backend program, backend and frontend, which technology I use for writing the backend and frontend. Okay, if I control and click here, it takes some time, and the website is wake up. Now this is my website. It's look like simple, but I just explain how it's working. Means everything is dynamic, because everything come from the database. I have many databases there. Okay, but I just explain. Okay, here Sorash Naik is my name. This is already login, and that's why if you log out, then it's asked to log in. If you don't know the username and password, you can forget also there. And then I just show you, if you click any bottom, like I just click here, what happened, then you just this is the product detail page. The first one is the home page. Okay, this one is the, I just show you, this one is the home page. Okay, and this one is the if you click any product. Okay, if you click any product, it's go to the home page. It's the product detail page. Okay, these all are the product detail page, and this website now is construction, means I just now it's working. So it's some dummy data is there, not dummy data. I just tried this first top where you can write anything, but I just show you how it's working. Means if I just click here add to cart, then what happen, it's go to the is direct go to the card. Okay, in my card section here, this is my card section. Okay, this top wear, this top price is 550, 550. That's why here this one the amount, the top amount, and the shipping charge is 70 rupees. That's why the total amount is 60. So I use if I just increase the amount, means now it's converted into 2. Okay, if then the price also increase. You just see, if I increase the amount, then automatically increase the price, and no page reload is there, because here I use Ajax. I just explain how I make this thing. Okay, there are many pages are there, means here if you here profile also there, here this one the profile, in the profile section here you can address is there, means this is your username, current username. Okay, if you log in this page, then your name also display here, and this one the address. Okay, this one the address, I just add many address. This one the BTM first stage, second stage, and this one this is my village area location, and this one the order. If I just go to the order, I just order many thing. Here the status means these all are the pending state. Okay, now one phone, you know, this famous device, this famous device is delivered, is price only 900, and this the order status is delivered, and everything is dynamic. I just show you how I make this thing. And here this one is the Samsung and iPhone also pending. Then this one is the product, this top is accepted, this chart is the order accepted, your order is accepted but not shifted. Here the packed, this product is packed, so it's look like that. Okay, and you can, there are many features. If you go to the electronics, then the mobile is there, and here in the mobile section you have many here. If you the by default all is there, means here every mobile is there. Here iPhone and normal keypad phone, then Redmi, many phone are there, and you can, if you click on any of them, then you can go to the detail page also. There are many connections are also there. Okay, then you can, now here you can buy now also, go to the card, you can okay, you understand, I think. Okay, and now you just if I filter that, so how I filter that, if I click here Redmi, so what happen, all the Redmi phone are come. Okay, if I click the Samsung, then all the Samsung phone are come. Okay, now I have the below 10,000 phone. If I want below 10,000 phone, then these all are the below 10,000 phone. Okay, and if I click here, then these are, this is the above 10,000. Okay, there are 75, the above 10,000, there are many phones are come. Okay, in my card one product is there, that's why it's display one. Okay, here one product is there, that's why okay, here I also, this is a bug, I also fix this thing, because I don't add, I just explain how it's work. Okay, then I many thing is there, top wear, bottom wear. Okay, in the shop here I have this one the top wear, these are the bottom wear is there, and this one the top wear, and this one the mobile phone also there. Okay, now I just explain how I just create this thing. Okay, you know, if you know Django, then if you don't know Django, then don't watch this thing. If you know Django, then you can understand properly. Okay, because I use Django here, this is the project, this is the basic project. This is my project and this is my app. Okay, this is my app. Okay, this is my app. Okay, and here I built everything and I just link it. Okay, in my app, you just see in the app folder I have template also there. Here inside the template many HTML file is there. Okay, many HTML file is there, and inside the HTML I use Jinja template. Okay, these are not normal HTML. I use Jinja template. I use inheritance also, means this was the this one is the basic.html. Okay, in the basic.html what you see, this is the basic.html. Okay, in the basic.html everything is this one, these all program are the navigation bar. Okay, this program is the navigation bar. Okay, and I just, if you know how Jinja template work, then you can understand properly. Okay, here only I have top the navigation bar and footer is there. Okay, here footer also there. Okay, here these are the footer part. Okay, you can understand. Okay, then in the end section I use all the script part. In the script part, the mini.js, then the everything. Then here okay, when I explain about the JS part, then I explain how the JS is working. Okay, here these all code are the navigation bar. Okay, these all code are navigation bar, and here is banner. One banner is there. Okay, I create a banner block. Okay, and here I live sale is there, then main content is there, and payment gateway is there. Okay, and now in the if I go to the home, okay, home.html. Okay, go to the home.html. This is my home.html. Okay, in the home.html, I make everything, means here I inherit this the base.html. I just inherit the base.html. Okay, so what happen if there are many things. Okay, if I click here, what happen, you see it's go to the local host 8000 port. Okay, how it's working, means I have a URL is there. Okay, okay, when you just go to the local host, automatically it go to the app directory. Okay, inside the app directory he just search here, where is the here he just go to the empty space, the empty request, and I just write here the include is there. I say that if you have empty request, then you just go to the app.url. Okay, in the app.url you get your response. Okay, here he just go to the app.url. Inside the app.url I write product.views. Okay, here I have product view, because these all are the product. Okay, yeah, you just view this thing, that's why I use product view. Here what happen, if you come to the empty request, then this product view class is run. Okay, this one is a class based view. Sometime I use in the view section, sometime I use functional based component and class based component. Sometime you use functional based view and a class based view. Okay, depend upon my mind, I use this thing according to my requirement. Okay, but now in the product view, I use the class view is there. This is a class view. Okay, you know already. If you know Django, then you can understand it properly. I make also a separate video. Okay, how I make this thing. Okay, and now I have many database also there. Means see how can I do now. This is a product view. Okay, in this product view, here I just write diff get. I just create a get method. By default, if you just send the request, it is a get method. Okay, in the get method, what I do, I just this is a list. Okay, this is a list, and how it's what it store product dot object dot filter category means I just filter out the I have a database. Okay, in the here everything is stored inside a database. Okay, I just show you my database. Where is my database? I just show you where is my database. Then this is my database. I just show you. The model is there here. This one is my model. Okay, this one my model. In the product, in product have a title, then product selling price. Okay, selling price and discount price. Selling price means the you know that the selling price what means the max price of this product. Then the bargaining price means the selling price. Okay, then the description and the brand name and category. Okay, brand name is the here I use model dot care field. Okay, max length the brand and here the category is a category. Here in the category I use choice. Okay, choice equal to choice underscore category, and max length equal to 2. Okay, here I use choice underscore category. Here I use choice underscore category. Okay, means and here I use product underscore image. In the product underscore image, I use the product image. I can upload the image also. Okay, upload to the product image. Okay, this you know, if you know Django, then you can understand how it's working. Okay, and then I just display it. I just pass one str method. Okay, dunder method. Okay, and everything is then what can I do here in the view? I just filter out. Okay, I just filter out all the top layer. Okay, in the top I filter out all the top layer, because here I just write in the model. Yeah, I just top tw equal to tw top layer. Bw means bottom layer. Okay, bw means bottom layer. Here if I go to the this is a big project. Okay, I just explain. Okay, if I explain all these things, then it takes so much time, so I can explain. I am try to explain because in less time. Okay, in the view, okay, I just filter all this item. Means I have separated top layer and bottom layer and mobile also there. Okay, and now you forget this thing. If requested user equal to authenticate, I use authenticate system. Means if you forget this thing, you just forget these two lines, because when I explain about how authentication work, then I say that it's a simple thing that how it's display. Okay, you forget if else thing. Okay, then I just simply return this thing. In the render function, it takes two things. The first one is your HTML file, and the second one is a dictionary. Okay, a dictionary. It take a dictionary, means context. This is a okay. I just here I just write this one key and value. Okay, top layer equal to top layer, bottom layer equal to bottom layer. You can write any key name, and this the bottom, any key name, and this value. You take any key name, and but you write this value. Okay, proper. You just write in the proper spelling. Okay, and then I just pass all this thing to the app dot inside the app. I just pass everything to the home.html. Okay, I just pass all this thing to the home.html. Now what can I do? I just go to the home.html. I just go to the where is my host home.html. This one is my home.html. In the main block, I just display all this item. Okay, banner also, I also display the banner also. Okay, here banner, here I also display, first I just display the banner, and in the second here I live cell is there. Live cell means you just see this thing. The first one is this one is the navigation bar. Okay, and this part is the banner, and the live cell, and this one is the live cell, and everything is one current block. Okay, this one block, and this is one block also, and this one also one block. This one, the whole is one block. Okay, in the this one is the main content. Okay, in the main content, I just pass this thing. I just write one for loop. Here I use some bootstrap classes. And here h1 also they are cells now. Cell is live, and everything I write after in the main block. Here my main block start here. Okay, my main block is started here. Okay, in the main block here I just write a for loop. Okay, for b means bottom wire, for b in bottom wire I just write. You can take anything, but you understand how to write for loop. Okay, in Python how I write for loop, I just write in the Python code. Okay, here I just write href. Here I just write href, and where if someone click the bottom, then what happen? You forget this thing. Okay, I explain, but if I just say everything, then you confuse this thing. You cannot understand. You just see, forget the href. Inside what can I do? I just pass the item. I just first I display the image. Okay, the product image. First I display the product image, and then the title, and then the price. Okay, here what can I do now? Here I just display the product image, and if you have some problem, then alt is display. Then you already know that how it's working. Then the height, how the image height, you can also set the height width also. Okay, I just simply give the height and span. Here I use the title. Okay, title with proper class means a proper bootstrap class. Okay, you understand. And then I use the price. Here this one is the discounted price, b dot discounted price. Okay, this is come from the database. Okay, discounted price. Okay, and here I just end the for loop. This one is one line. Okay, this one is one line, this one is the second line, this one is the second line. Okay, and this one is the okay. These are the payment method. These all are the payment method. I just now these all are the payment method. You just see the first one is the banner. Okay, in the first one you see all the product of the bottom wire. Okay, yeah, I just show you. These all are the bottom wire, and this is the these all are the payment method. Okay, here this is the payment method, and again I just copy paste everything, but I just now again I just copy paste this thing. Okay, this line I just copy paste this line, and but I just iterate the another the bottom wire. Okay, now in the previously I just iterate all the top bottom wire. Now I just iterate all the top wire. Okay, now I just iterate all the top wire. Okay, now I just and after I iterate then I just display how I previously display this item. Like that I just display all this thing. Okay, here the URL here the I just first I see the so first I just display the image, and then the title and everything, the price and discounted price, everything. Okay, and the last time another again I just display all the mobiles like that. In the mobile section, in the mobile I just filter out all the mobile and display it by using for loop. Okay, and everything is working when you go to the local host. Okay, when you go to the local host means empty request. In the local host empty request, then you just then you come to this page. Okay, in the backend, and this is my server. Okay, here I just pass all this thing. Okay, this was the normal thing like that. I just make all everything functional, means if I click here. Okay, if someone come and click here. Okay, someone come and click here. Okay, so this page is come. Okay, so how it's come means every product have some unique ID. Okay, every product have some unique ID. If I click here, you just see if 5 is there, so this one is a slug. Okay, this one is the localhost / product detail. Okay, if someone click a particular product, what happen, it's go to the a specific URL, product detail / the ID, the slug, according to the slug. Okay, it's go to some URL, means you just see if I click here. Okay, if I click here, it go to the product detail. Where is the product detail? You just see where is the product detail. If I go to the now I just show you inside the URL. Okay, inside the URL product detail also there. Here one product detail also there. Here if someone just give some request, just here go to this endpoint, product detail and according to the primary key. Okay, and product detail and this primary key, then then what happened, he just this URL just hit one class view. Okay, class view means it's a class view. Product detail, this is a class view. Okay, it's go to it execute the product detail view. Okay, I just show you where is my product detail view. Okay, inside the view I have a class view is there. The class view name is product detail view, and a dot as view means it's a syntax for calling a class view. Okay, inside the view here in the product detail view also there. This one the product page, this one the home page, and this one the product page. Okay, this one is the product page. Okay, inside the product page, what happened here, in the request I get some key, primary key, and how I get the primary key. Okay, here by default okay, I just show you how I get this primary key. So you need to go to the product in the home page. Okay, in the home page what happened here, if you click any product. Okay, here what happened, if you click any product, because each product have some ID, because each product present in the database, so each product have some unique ID. Okay, so how if I click here so I get some ID. Okay, like this product is 5, if I click another product like that, and then this product is 8. Okay, and the every product have some unique ID. Okay, if I click this one, so this ID is 10. Okay, and so I just show you how it's working. Okay, I just go to the home.html. In the home.html, here here I take the product ID. Okay, if you what happen here, if you just click click one product, because these all are the hyperlink. Okay, these everything is present inside the anchor tag. If you click here, some hyperlink href is targeted, some url. Okay, I just show you. In the href I just give a url. Okay, in the url you just see this is a Jinja template. Okay, this is a Jinja template syntax. Okay, inside the url, here I just write the url, and I just write product detail, and then b.id. b.id means this product id. B means bottomware id. Okay, bottomware id is there. Okay, so this bottomware id, what happen when you just click one bottom, then you have two things. The first one is the endpoint, which endpoint the request send. Okay, then the which product you click now, which product you click. If you click the top where, then some unique id is there. So in the request you get one unique id according to your product. Okay, according to your product you get some unique id. After you getting the unique id, then the next procedure is in the product detail. Okay, in the product detail I just show you where is my product detail. Okay, the product detail page. So product detail is there. This one is the product detail page. Okay, here the product detail page come. Okay, so what happen if you click the product detail in the product detail? So here if you click somewhere, so what happen, it's go to the product detail page. Okay, if I click here, so it's go to the product detail page. Okay, in the we just see what happen in the product detail page. Here in the product detail, so go to the view, and in the product detail is a class based view. Okay, so in the product detail I get, now you understand how I get the primary key. I get the request as well as the unique key. Okay, unique key means this one is the primary key. Okay, and then then I just get, then I just retrieve the through the primary key. I just get the product, the exact particular product from the database. In the product table I just get the exact product, not I don't filter this thing, because I have only one product. That's why I just get, I just write on product is my database, and dot objects dot get. Through this command I just in the argument I just say that pk, my primary key is pk equal to pk. So then I have only one object is there. I just retrieve one object, means one product, and I store this product inside the product, and I just pass this thing. I just product I just pass as a constant, means as a dictionary I just pass this thing, product equal to product. Okay, then I just pass everything, means say item product equal to product. Okay, then I also pass all this thing, item already in card. Okay, you forget this thing, because in the future I say that why I pass this thing. If I say now, then you confuse, because this is, I already say that this is a big project. Okay, so just understand how it's working. So product equal to product. Okay, then you already know that how render work. Render take one HTML file and the product as a context. I just say the dictionary. In the dictionary I pass the product. Okay, now what can I do? You already know that how what can I do here. In the product detail, I what can I do here? I use here I write some authentication program, because you forget this thing. So here if item, okay, here I use for loop. Okay, in the for loop Okay, here this one the form. Okay, product detail is there, and I have some I just write somewhere for loop is there. Okay, I show you how it's for. Okay, everything is there, but the image I get only one image. So okay, no need to write the for loop because I have only one image is there. Okay, so I just pass the product. I just pass the product now. In the product page, I just write the product title. This one the title. How I write this title, and this is the first gene. Okay, this is first gene. How I get this thing? I don't say that how you enable the admin panel. I just in future I explain how admin in the admin. I just explain when I open the admin panel, then you can understand properly. Okay, here what can I do? Here in the title section, product detail is there. Then in the title, here product title equal to product dot title. Okay, product dot title. Then you can understand, I think. Okay, and then the product price, I just display the discounted price. Okay, product discounted price. Okay, and this one is the discounted price and product description. I just everything is dynamic. Okay, then go to card is there. Then if item in card. Okay, you forget this thing, means if my card is already if I just add some product, I just show you how it's working. This is if I add this card, means if I now I just add this product. Okay, if I go to the home page, if I go to the home page, and again I want to add, then I don't have any add to card option. Then go to card option is there. That's logic I write here. I just in the database I use many to one relation. I just I just say that a demo thing. I just how it's actually working. I just give some little bit of information. If I just explain properly, it takes some time. Okay, so I just how it will look like. Just then I have many pages are there. So now I also develop this thing. So okay, then in the here what can I write? In the static I have CSS also there. Okay, this the wow, I use wow causal dot min dot css I use. Then all, and I also write my custom css also. Here I also write the custom css and custom js also. This one my javascript. This is my javascript where I write the ajax part. These all are my ajax part. Okay, these all are my ajax part. And here I write the ajax part, means what happen if you go to, I just show you how it's working. If you click here, and if now you are in the card page. Okay, in the card page, now I just go to the card.html. okay, now I just go to the cart.html. Where is my cart.html? My cart.html, I just find where is my cart.html, customer card, I think. Here password reset, mobile order, then card, yes, empty card.html, and checkout page. This one is the empty card. If you have okay, this one is the cart detail is there here. This one is the one image also there, and Okay. Customer manage. Okay, here checkout page is there, below cart page, where is my cart page? Okay, I just if you don't because this is, I already said that it's a big project, so I just I iterate this thing, means I just I debug this thing, then I found that what happened here. Here if I go here you just see, so user just has send a request localhost/cart. Okay, localhost/cart. So what happen if I go to the if I go to the URL? Okay, if I go to the project app URL, then I just see that one cart is there, and if someone come to the cart, so show cart, this function is run. This is a view, this is a normal view, means a functional based view, not class based view. Okay, in the cart, so I just go to the view and show cart. I just go to the view and show cart. Where is the show cart? And now here is the show cart is there. Okay, in the show cart, this one is my show cart, and in the show cart I return some add to cart. Okay, add to cart.html is there. Now I can easily found this thing. So if you understand everything, then you don't have any confusion. Okay, here you just search that where is the add to cart, is the starting from add to cart A is there, so add to cart is there. This one is the add to cart.html, and this page is responsible for this page, means this one is a add to cart page. Okay, everything is display. So this one this was my add to cart page. Okay, and here what happened, here I just write everything, means here I write everything here. This one the title, this one the cart, and I just write the for cart in carts. I use one for loop here. Okay, I use in for loop. Okay, for cart in carts. Okay, in the carts means I have one carts. So what the meaning of carts? So if I directly explain, so you cannot understand. So I just go to the view show carts. Okay, inside the view I have one show carts also. Show cart is there. Okay, this one is the show cart. Here you just forget the authentication part. When I explain the authentication, then okay, here I think you are so bored, I think, because if you have interest, then you can understand. If you don't have patience, then you cannot understand this thing, because if you make this project, then you can understand many things. Property decorator, many things are there, how to okay, here what happened, I just this one the cart. Okay, cart dot object dot filter user equal to user, means the current user equal to user means how to get the current user. This one the main method. Okay, this one the best method to get the current user equal to request dot user. So you have the user. Okay, user equal to user. So everything work, and I just filter out the all the storage user, means all my product of my account, all the cart product, I filter all this thing. Okay, and store inside a variable, and I just test it's working or not. That's why I just write the print. If you don't want, you can't write this thing. You cannot write, you don't want to so you don't write this thing. Okay, so and amount, and I just some calculation, I just perform some calculation here. Then I just here I use list comprehension. Through list comprehension, I use the p for p in card.object.all. Okay, card.object.all means here I have some collection. So p if p dot user equal to user. So if this is my product, means my user product. So you make a one list and store inside the this is a elegant way, means to create or define a list. It's a advanced Python, means it's a list comprehension. What I say, you can understand. I think I use a list comprehension. So here a cart product is there. So in the I just iterate this all the object, and here I just p for p in cart. Okay, for p in cart. So for p in cart, so here what can I do? So p dot quantity dot p dot quantity. So p dot quantity, how much quantity is there, then how much the discounted price. So here, so 4 product is there, four product is there, and how much the total amount. Okay, the total amount is, then I just multiply this one and this one. Okay, I just multiply this one and this one. Okay, and I just pass this thing, but okay, but it's not like that, but I just write the jQuery, but I think that it's working, but you can pass like that, but it's a static. I make it dynamic. Okay, and I just say that how I write this thing. So cart underscore product equal to, okay, and now I have the total amount. I just make a calculation. Okay, here I just amount equal to plus equal to temp. I just here amount is there. Okay, and then I just return everything, total amount, everything is, I just amount. Here my total amount, here the amount. Okay, here. Okay, now what can I do? Here add2cart.html is there. The main thing is, if you go to the add2cart, I use here Ajax is there. Okay, here if I go to the add2cart page, okay, if I go to the add2cart page, then what happen here? So one plus button is there. You just see in the add2cart I use something here. You just see what you see. You just see what you see in the add2cart. In the add2cart you have title, description, then quantity. Here something is there. Okay, here here I use Ajax. Ajax for means Ajax means asynchronous JavaScript and XML. Okay, how I use this thing, Ajax. Okay, so here this total equal to, here what can I do? Here the H1 is the total amount, then amount, shipping the price, then where is the plus bottom? I use something. Okay, yes, minus plus is there. Okay, so this one is my image. Okay, and this one is my this one is my title. If you try to understand how I just write like that. So and here this one my quantity, and this one my ID, the PID, and the main thing is here in the anchor tag I use PID equal to class cart.product.id. Okay, cart, I just pass the cart in the view section. I just pass the cart and cart.product.id. Okay, and then here PID is there. Okay, I use min okay, minus class btn. Okay, I use many bootstrap is, and here I use cdn also I use. So here I use a tag for displaying the, here I use I tag for displaying the plus and minus sign here, the minus and plus sign here. So if someone click here, so what happened? So one Ajax is running. So how then one request? So what happen if someone click here? So now in the my custom JavaScript, what happen? Here I just write. I just target this min cards. Okay, min cards dot click. If someone click, then what happen? I just PID receive the PID, and this dot PID to string. I just convert into the string format, and then I just in the JSON response, I just give a JSON response in the particular URL. I just in the particular endpoint I send some data. Okay, in the particular endpoint. In the particular endpoint I send some data. Okay, data equal to PID equal to ID. Okay, you know the ID. What is the ID? ID equal to, I already converted into the toString format, then I store inside it here. So I send the request with the data and success function, and this one the success function. If the request sends means if you send successfully, then this function is run. Okay, then success function means is the console.data. I just in the log it, I log in the console, and the XML dot then I just print this thing. Okay, you forget this thing, I just explain how I do like that. So step by step I just some say that basic thing, then I in the advanced thing I make a video. Okay, I also provide my GitHub everything. I provide this thing, but I show you the basic how it's working. Means it's look like a simple thing, but the backend is so much difficult. Means if you understand, it's not difficult. Okay, like that I write many pages there. So I just show you the functionality. If I just log out this thing, if I log out, then I just log in. Okay, log in another admin. Okay, so what happened? So admin is login. So they have some different admin. In the admin section, you can go to the orders. In the admin, I don't order anything, that's why. In the here also there are many products also there, that some different product is there. Then no one can see another, no one can see means you cannot see another person data, another user. One user cannot see another user data. So I design like that. So I just show you how it's look like. Means I just open the admin panel. Admin panel. Okay, so localhost admin panel. Here the main thing is there. I don't explain all this thing because it takes some time for explaining. So here the user is there, the products here I have all the product is there. These all are the products, and the order placed, and these all are the status. I can the main thing is I also create a link also here. I also, if I just if you give if I explain, so it takes so much time. Means there are many things is there. Here I also make hyperlink. Means if you click here, then you just go to the product detail. Means the customer detail address, customer address, and I make connection. Means in the order place class, I make a connection. Means the customer info. Means I have a customer table, but now in the order place here I can make a connection of the product table. Means you can you are here, but you can, if you want, then you can see the product table database from the customer from the customer database. You can see the product table also here. Means if you just click here, then you just go to the product in the customer table. Means in the customer database. Okay, customer database you can go. Okay, then the how many order are there, order placed, then you can change this thing, but these all are changing dynamically. Okay, I can explain how I change this thing. So how I make this process, I think you cannot understand because I just quickly said that, but if I explain means it takes some time, means if I explain all this thing. Okay, so here if you go to the admin page, here I make a connection. I say that here this one my order place section. Okay, this one my orders place section. Okay, here one here I just make two link. Okay, customer info and product info. Here you just see the customer info. Where is the order place? In the order place, here customer info and product info is there. Okay, customer info, product info, two thing is there. Okay, here I just write everything, and for like that, and you can make this connection also. If I say that if one person want to here what happen, here Swaraj order something. Okay, the user to customer 2, and this one the customer info in the order placed. If I go to the order section, then he just the product name is second phone. Okay, what the meaning of second phone? You can see the data also. This one the image also. You can see this product is the user want, and you can change the status also. So how you can change the order place? Use the order place section, then you can change this thing. How? By here you can change this thing by using here. If you just here accepted, means if I change this thing, then the product means the status change. I also write some code for changing the status. So if I explain, so it takes so much time, means I just show you, but the main this is a very big project. If I here what happen, if I change the status, so what happen, the here you just see, you just relate it, then you can understand. So you can understand this thing. Then if I go to the I don't order anything, so if you delete all this thing also, the card is empty. Okay, now I just delete this product. Okay, and I also delete this product, and delete this product also, delete like that. Okay, now my card is empty. Okay, if I just go to the card is now empty. Okay, this okay, I just log out this thing, and I just go to the I just log in somewhere. So Swaraj, and here I just write something, Swaraj. Okay, I just give the password, and I just log in everything in my card. Here everything is there. Okay, two product is there. Okay, if I go to the here, then it say that two product is there. So I design here, but in the card page I also fix the bug also. The default value is 4. So I also said that if I just place order, then it takes which address you want to order. If you place here, then I just then you can order like that. You just continue, then all the product is ordered. Then automatically if I order all this product, then what happened, then automatically deleted this product to the cart. Now it's ordered, my card is empty now, means it deleted the data this product to the card database, and it store all this thing inside the order place database. Okay, so I can, if I want, I can add in many things. I just add this thing, and if I add some another product also, In the here I just go to the electronics mobiles. Here I just add one iPhone also. So here I also add some payment method also. Okay, here I also, if I want, then I can add some payment method. I just comment out this thing, because in the according to the RBI, in the India we cannot store we have two type of account is there. In the PayPal we have individual account and a business account is there. So in the individual account, you cannot store money. Okay, you cannot store money. So that's why I want to check this project. That's why I use some sandbox account, PayPal sandbox account. There I have create a account, then I just so I just used dollar format, means there you can store some dummy money inside this account, and you can send it. Okay, but and you get the PayPal here. This project I also add this payment method also, but now I just hide this thing. But I just show you where is my payment method. Here, if you just click here, then here one payment method is there. Okay, here now it not display. I just show you why it's not displaying. So here if I go to the which page is there, first you see that which page, this one, the checkout page. Okay, where is my checkout page? If you see that, where is my checkout page? Checkout page is there. Okay, checkout.html is there, and here is payment method also there. I have also payment method. This one the payment gateway, this one the script, this one the script file. I just remove all this thing. Payment gateway, in the payment gateway only script is there. Okay, only script is there, and the body is not there. So we need to add some payment method here. I just removed everything. So I add this thing here. Okay, I show you my PayPal account. Okay, my PayPal, if you go to the PayPal website, paypal.com, I have also I have two account, means I have a customer account as well as individual account as well as business account also. Okay, so sign in, I don't need to sign up. I log in. In the login everything is there. Swaraj, this one it say that you need to password. I also know the password. Okay, fingerprint, it needs some fingerprint. Okay, started. Now you just see I just go to the developer side. In the when you go to the developer side, then I just go to the PayPal developer side. Okay, this one. Okay, my internet is so slow, that's why it's not opening properly. Okay, it's open now. Here one option is there. Okay, this one is the developer option. Okay, just go to the developer site, and the developer site you have some sandbox is there. Here you have one sandbox is there. Okay, here sandbox is live. Now my sandbox is live, and I have everything is there, but I just hide all this thing. It takes some time. So okay, no error found. Okay, it's good, no error found. So testing. Okay, sandbox is there. Okay, app and credential, sandbox account. Okay, here sandbox account is there. Okay, sandbox, this one is the sandbox. Here I have two. This one is my sandbox. Okay, this one make the business personal account, the business account. You have by default you have two account. Okay, this one and this one is the by default account, and this one is the business account. Okay, in the business account I have money also there. This one the security key and everything you get for creating the API in the when you create the when you use the API sandbox API, then you can then you use this thing, this security key. Okay, here the client ID and something is there. I discuss everything how the then API REST API you can create this API. Okay, so here is here sandbox account, this one my API. Here if you direct click here, you just go to this page also. Okay, and you can create API also, create API credence. Here you can create the API also. You have document, everything is this on the client ID. I don't want to share this thing. And then this one the okay, many thing is there. Okay, I just explain. In future I add everything. Now I already add this thing, but now I remove all this thing for explaining all this thing, because they have some issue is there, means so like that. Okay, I just in one video I just explain all this thing, how I just give some hint how I can create this website. But in the this is the website is now in maintenance, means now I just work in this website. Okay, there I say that if you just log out this thing, just see that if I log out, I forget the password. So here forget password is there. In the forget password means you give the email address, then one mail is sent to your mobile. Then if you know the password, if you don't know the password, means if you are new user, then you can create the account also and create a password. Forget password and the login is both. Forget password and reset password both are different. I already say that how you forget password. Then I just say that how you reset the password, means if you know the password, if you already know the password and you are an authenticated user, means if I login hello. Okay, now here you don't see any add to card and a profile, because the user is not login, that's why you cannot see this thing. Okay, Swaraj. Okay, now it's login. Now one option is come here. Here change password is there. Now if you login, then if you know the password, and that's why you log in here. So after you just give the old password, then new password, then you just save, then everything is then means it's changed, your password is changed. Okay, like that. Then I have some profile also there are many things is there. Okay, I explain another video. Okay, if you like, then you just subscribe my channel. Okay, I will give the channel link in the description. Okay, bye.